Hello, Mzansi. It's a gossip girl. Ever since Vuyokazi got married, Mpumelelo has been posting daily on his Instagram account and also responding to most of the comment. He pinned this message for his kids in hope that when they grow up, they will read his side of the story. He captioned this in Zulu, however, I tried to translate it to English, reading as follows. My children, wherever you are, just know Daddy loves you. Don't be hungry while your father is here. I'm making this post because I don't want it when you grow up. They say I lost the truth. You will get it from your mother because this is her fight. If it was another man, I would have won this fight in the morning. Muhlopegasi, and then that is Zulu. I don't understand it. Deep, deep mystery. All that is hidden, we will see through you, my boy. Some say I will just leave the original caption, not the translated one, so that you guys can read it out for yourself because I don't want to butcher Zulu. I don't understand it. However, what I read and understood from this caption is that Mpumelelo is just saying to his kids that I love you, don't be hungry while your father is here. This is your mother's doings because it's her who was fighting me. It's like Mpumelelo is not taking any accountability of his own action. He's not taking accountability of his own action. Even the child that he's talking about, Umhlopegas, was raised by his mother, not himself. I carry now busy. He's looking for a virgin. He's looking for a virgin all over South Africa. And that very same virgin, they're no longer together. Zanzi, till I see you again, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell. Bye-bye.